find the HCF. How to find HCF? So here HCF is asking. So whatever method you want, then you take that method and find HCF. So here I am taking factorization method. Using factorization method I am going to find HCF. 18. 2 nines are first 1 18s are 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 nines are 18. 3 6 are 18. Then don't take. Then stop till here only. Till here only. Next 24. 1 24 is 24. 2 12 is 24. 3 6 are 3 7 are 3 8 are 24. 4 4 6 are 24. 5 it won't come, and in 6 table again it will come. 6 4s are, so it's repeated. Then don't take. Then now 18 factors. 18 factors. What are 18 factors? In U shape you have to take 1 2 3 6 9 18. 1 2 3 6 9 18. Then 24 factors. 24 in U shape. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. These are the factors. Now you take common factors. Common factor. 2 is common, 1 is common, 3 is common, and 6 is common. 1 2 3 6. These are the common. So other than this, no, nothing is common. Then get highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor is 6. So HCF of these two numbers is 6. Now the second question, 20 and 48. Again you take 20. 1 20 is a 20. 2 10 is a 20. Next 3 it won't come. 4 4 5 is a 4 5 is 20, and 6 5 4 is again it repeats. Don't take. Now you take 48. 1 48 is a 48. 2 24 is a 48. 3 6 is a 48. 4 12 is a 48. 5 it won't come. 6 8 is a 48. 7 it won't come. 8 it will come. 8 6 is a 8 6 is again it repeats. Don't take this. Now 20 factors. 20. What are 20 factors in U shape? 1 2 4 5 10 20. 1 2 4 5 10 20. Next 40 factors. 40 in U shape. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 48. 24 48. Now you take common factors. Common what are common factors? 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common, and 4 is common. 5 no common, 10 no common, and 1 2 4. 1 2 4. 1 comma 2 comma 4. In this 1 comma 2 comma 4, what is highest common factor? Highest common factor. Highest common factor is 4. 4 is the highest common factor. In 1 2 4, 4 is the highest common factor. Next 28 42. In 28 42, again we have to take 28 first. 1 28 is a 28. 2 14 is a 28. 3 in 3 table it won't come. In 4 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. In 5 it won't come, in 6 it won't come, in 7 again it will come. 7 fours are. No need to take. So then 42. 1 42s are 42. 2 21s are 42. 3 12, 3 4s are 3 14s are 42. 3 14s are 42. Then 4, it won't come in 4 table, in 5 table it won't come, in 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 42. And again in 7 table, 7 6 are, it will repeat. Then no need to take. Then 28 factors. 28 factors in U shape. 1 2 4 7 14 28. Now 42 factors. 42 factors in U shape. 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 and 42. Then common factors. Now common factors. What are the common factors? 1 is common, 2 is common, 1 2. Then after that, here 4 is there, no 4. 7 is common, 14 is common, 7 14. Then highest common factor. Highest common factor is 14. Highest common factor 14. 14, it is the highest common factor. Now this D question is your home assignment. Then we go for E question. 24. 124 the 24, 212 the 24, 3 8 the 24, 4 6 the 24. In 5 it won't come, in 6 it will come, 6 4s are, it will repeat, don't take again. Now we go for 36. 1 36 the 36, 2 13s the 2 13s the 2 18s the 36, 3 12s the 36, 4 9s the 36, 5 it won't go, 6 6 the 36, 6 6 the, here repeated, 6 and 6 repeated, no need to go further. Then 24 factors. 24 in U shape. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. Then 36 factors. 36 1 2 3 4 6. Again 6 is there, don't take. 9 12 18 36. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Before that you write common factors. Common factors. What are the common factors? 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, 6 is a common factor, and 12 is a common factor. So 1 2 3 4 6 12. In this all, what is the highest common factor? That is 12. In this way we have to find highest common factor using factorization method. The D question is your homework. One more question is there. These two questions, one is D, one is F. D and F is your home assignment. Home assignment. Here find the number which is 2 less than the HCF of each of the following. 2 less than HCF of 2 less than HCF. First we have to find HCF. After finding HCF we have to make 2 minus. because here less than is given, 2 less than the HCF. So first you find HCF of this 25, 45 and 60. 25 factors. 25. So use prime factors method or factorization method, that is your wish. Here I want to take prime factors method. Then 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Next 45. 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 60. 3 2s are 6 and 0. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are and 5 1s are 5. 20 prime factors. 20 prime factors. 25 prime factors. 5 into 5 into 1. 45 prime factors. 45. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. Then 60 prime factors. 60 prime factors. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now, what is common in all? Into 1 also we have to take. So this one, so we have to take common when the numbers are co-prime numbers, then only you consider that one. Otherwise no need to take. Here, what is common in all? 1 5 is common in all. And other than this, what is common? Here 5 is there, here no 5, and no 5. Here 3 is there, but here no 3. Means only 1 5 is common. So 25, 45 and 60. HCF. We have to take this 5. The common only we have to take. That is the HCF. 2 less than the HCF. 2 less than the HCF is equal to 5 minus 2. That is 3. That is 3. First we have to find HCF. After finding HCF, 2 less than the HCF of each of the following he has given. 2 less than means we have to make minus 1. This is using prime factorization method. Before we did using factorization method, this is prime factorization method. Then 70 prime factors. First 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Again 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. Next 85. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 17 1s are. Next 45. 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Next 70 prime factors. 70 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. 2 into 5 into 7 into 1. Next 85 prime factors. 85 prime factors. 5 into 7 into 1. 5 into 17 into 1. Next 45 prime factors. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. Then what is common in all? 1 5 is common. Other than this, anything is common. Here 2 is there, here no 2. Here 17 is there is no 17. Here 3 is there is no 17. Only 1 5 is common. Therefore 70, 85 and 45 HCF is 5. Now 2 less than the HCF. 2 less than the HCF is equal to 5 minus 2. That is 3. 3 is your answer. Now next question. 40, 120, 150. 40 prime factors. 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. Next 120. 2 60s are, 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. Next 150. 5 3s are 15, 0. 5 6s are 30. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Next 40. Prime factors. 40 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Next 120 prime factors. Prime 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. How many 2's? 3 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Into 1 is there. No need to take that one. If anything is common, then we consider 1. So when co-prime numbers are there. 150 prime factors. Then 5 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. 5 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. Then what is common in all? 1 5 is common in all. Only 1 5 and 1 2 is also common in all. 1 2 is common, 1 5 is common, nothing other than this. Then 40, 120, 150 HCF is equal to 2 into 5. That is 10. That is 10. 2 less than the HCF. 2 less than HCF is equal to 10 minus, that is 8. That is 8. Next, this is also same question. 15. 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 5. 30. 5 6 are 30, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3. 45. 5 9 are 45, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. 15 prime factors. 3 into 5 into 1. Then 30 prime factors. 30 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. Then 45 prime factors. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. 5 into 3 into 3 into 1. Then what is common in all? 1 5 is common and 1 3 is common in all. So only this is common, not other than this. Then 15, 30 and 45 HCF 3 into 5, that is 15. 2 less than the HCF, 2 less than 15 minus 2, that is 13. 2 less than the HCF, this is 13. So these 4 questions we did. Only 4 questions were there. That 4 questions we did. Nothing, no assignment common for homework this. Yes, now HCF of the following using prime factorization method. So prime factorization method we did. So again this questions given. So here total 8 questions are given in textbook. So we are going to do 4 questions. A, B, C is your home assignment, D is there, E, F is your home assignment, G is there and H is there. So remaining questions you do as your home assignment. See here, prime factorization method 24 first. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. 28. 2 14s are, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. Then 24 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 28 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 7. Then 24 and 28 HCF. We have to take common factors. 2, 2. Only 2 2's were there, so we have to take 2 2's. 2 into 2. 2 2's are 4. This is our HCF. This is our HCF. Now 24 prime factors we have to find. 2 1's are 2 2's are 2 6's are 2 3's are 3 1's are. Next 40. 2 20's are 2 10's are 2 5's are 5 1's are. Now 24 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next 40 prime factors. 40 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then 24 and 40 HCF. HCF we have to take common. What is the common? These two. 3 2's were common. We have to take 3 2's. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 8 is our HCF of 20 and 40. 20 and 40. These are HCF. Now 60. 60 common factors. 2 3's are 6. Prime factors first we have to write. Then 2 15's are 30. 5 3's are 3 1's are. Now 225. 5 4's are 20. 5 5's are 25. 5 4's are 20. 5 5's are 25. 5 9's are 45. 3 3's are 9. Again 3 1's are 3. 3 1's are 3. Now 60 prime factors. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Next 225 prime factors. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 1 5 is common and 1 3 is common. 1 5 and 1 3 is common. 60 225 HCF. 3 into 5. 15 is the HCF. Next 90. 90 prime factors we have to write. 90. 2 45 are 90. 3 15s are 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Next 126. 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. Next 162. 2 81s are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Now 90 prime factors. 90 prime factors. 3 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 126. 126 prime factors. Prime 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 162 prime factors. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then 90, 126, 162 HCF. What is common? 2 is common, 1 3 is common, 1 more 3 is common. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. 18 is the HCF. 18 is the HCF of 90, 126, 192. and this question is left. This is your home assignment. This is your home assignment.